Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The last session saw the dollar gain 0.8% against the yen. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.6% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair dove 1.8% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair dove 4% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
The United Emirates has been taking more cargoes of Russian crude oil, according to ship tracking data and trading sources, in another example of how Western sanctions on Russia have adjusted traditional energy trade flows. The US dollar was tentative, ahead of testimony before Congress by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, while the Aussie slid after the Reserve Bank of Australia hinted that it might be nearly done with monetary tightening. Despegar, a leading online travel agency in Latin America, has started accepting crypto as a form of payment in Argentina, in partnership with Binance Pay, both companies announced.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US ADP employment change will be released at 13:15 GMT. The US Fed's Beige Book at 1800 hours GMT. The Eurozone's gross domestic product at 1000 hours GMT. Germany's retail sales will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's gross domestic product at 2350 GMT. Japan's gross domestic product annualized at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.